Today I'm going to show you 3 things you absolutely need in your sewing kit. So number 1, good pair of scissors. I like these ones. They don't have to be these ones if you're just starting out or you don't like these ones. But I like these ones because they stay sharp and, they're just pretty scissors. Number 2, snippers. They are absolutely essential if you're sewing, just because they're super handy to have. So much easier than scissors if you're cutting threads all the time, and cutting threads all the time can sometimes blunt your nice fabric scissors, so having these, super handy. Number 3 is these clips. They just help hold your fabric in place. If you've got a piece of vinyl like this, very scrappy piece of vinyl, but if you're trying to sew it and obviously can't use pins on it because pins would put holes in it, you can just clip it in place like that and then take the clips out when you're sewing. So yeah, that is 3 things that you absolutely need in your sewing kit. It doesn't matter what kind of sewing you're doing, just 3 things that you really need in your sewing kit, and they are the most essential things in my opinion. So thank you.